Hi guys, hello everyone! During our today's class I'm gonna show you what is drawing guide and how to use assisted drawings, and also in the end of my class we're gonna paint a simple apple with vase. So I hope you will like it, so let's go! First of all, we need to create a new layer that is underneath our texture paper, and after that I will go to the tool, and now I need to press drawing guide, and next you need to press edit drawing guide. And after that we go to symmetry button and press options, so you need to be sure that your assisted drawing is turned on. And you might choose horizontal, quadrant, radiant. I'm gonna use vertical. So okay, now I'm sure that everything is turned on. And also guys, you might control the opacity here of this line, the thickness, it can be thicker, thinner. For me, this, 50% is fine, and opacity around 40% is also good. After that, press down, and now when you go to the layers, we see that our layer is turned on an assisted drawing mode. As you might see, when I paint, and I paint just from one side, from the other side I also paint same. This is kind of apple, like this. Guys, you don't need to be perfect. Like that. And some parts that you don't need some lines, just erase them with an eraser. So why we did it? First of all, because our apple is on a new layer, and on a second layer that is also assisted, we have nothing, so we can paint anything we like, and if we make some mistakes we can just erase simply everything, and it will not affect our apple. So let's paint. Okay, we've done with our jar, and I'm gonna go and add some simple lines here. Turn off our assisted drawing guide, go to the layer with our apple and do same. So now if you paint from one side, another side, like we don't paint anything on another side, but as you might see we still have this line. What should we do in this way? We go to the tool set, canvas and drawing guide, turn it off, and that's it. Now we can arrange our painting in a beautiful way, play with the size, composition, whatever you like. And after we can start coloring. The brush that I'm gonna use is Watercolor color, one of my favorites, and let's start adding some colors to our apple. After blending tool, and I'm gonna go and create a new layer for our vase, and our vase will be blue. I think so. I want to have it blue. But remember, we have all those ornaments. And add some blue color here. So because of the apple, we have some reflection. So we might need to add some yellow color and orange color to vase. So now what I'm gonna do is I want to go and duplicate it a few times, and have to lower the opacity and merge together. Same with apple, duplicate, lower the opacity one layer, and have to merge together 2 layers. Well, now I'm gonna go and add some shades, color variation. So what I'm gonna do is I will just press select, and after I go and grab salted brush, and I just want to add those shades and color variations that I was talking about. Okay, let's do same with vase. Select, we can paint and add some shades. Well guys, it's pretty lovely. I'm gonna go and merge together 2 layers, and I will create a 1 layer underneath of everything. And my next step is I just want to go and create shades, add some background. Like this. Perfect edger and smudger. Like that. So guys, pretty lovely. My next step is let's just duplicate it. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to blending tool, and I'm gonna go and blend some parts. And it's pretty lovely, but it's not finished. So I will go and grab another brush, which is Oriental brush. It's a very lovely one, and it can help you to add those details. And guys, as blending tool, we might use a pretty good brush. Perfect Edger and Smudger. I like the way how it blends one with each other. details, let's just add shades from our apple and our vase. And in this way we need to go to our layer with a background, this one. And we just go to selection tool, press freehand, and just select this area like that. And press feather, 18%, hue, saturation and brightness, and lower the brightness and increase saturation, like that. We can even add more shades if you like. And I think that's fine. Now my next step is I want to blend it all together. And after blend the apple and background one on each other. And if you like, you might try another blender, Watercolor smudger. And as you might see, it can help you to blend perfectly. Now guys, final detail. I will create a new layer, move to white color, and press grab Oriental brush, and I'm gonna go and add a blick, a reflection. It should be somewhere here, and same in this way. Also, you might have some blick here. Well guys, we've done with our painting. I hope you enjoyed our today's tutorial. So guys, if you like my class, subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye bye!